So over there are the parish switchbacks. Other side of the canyon is North Deuel Creek. So parish switchbacks are the ones that I did when I came off of the flag up by Centerville Peak. That right up there on that cliff is where the flag is. Just to give you an idea what area I am in. I'm in Centerville, Utah. It's July 3rd. I'm in the area to see my daughter and son-in-law today. Today we're getting together and having a barbecue, but it's pretty early. So I'm killing some time. Gonna do Deuel South Creek, or South Deuel Creek. Been up here, I like this trail. This is a beautiful trail. A lot of people come up here because there's like a swing over the creek and a really beautiful waterfall if you continue on. It's gonna be a short one. It's about 4.8 out and back. Not too much in elevation, but a pretty cool area. We're already at that rocky scramble area I was thinking about. Just kind of fun. It does look like you can take a lower trail, but hey, why? The rocks are more fun anyway. I just love how these trees are growing right out of it. Fun little pick through the cliffs here. Oh, that's why they go lower. I almost missed it. Go grab this waterfall real quick. Boy, I needed this. I'm already starting to get that hiking rush. Starting to wake me up. Maybe it's just the coffee kicking in, but I doubt it. Yeah. When you do this so much, your body just misses it. And your mind. Your mind mostly. Alright, so first goal, big goal that I've had has been my weight. I got down to 58 pounds I was 2 pounds away from 60, of course, which would have been another milestone. But I should have been there in the month of June. I should have hit my goal, which was to break 200. I've kind of hit a plateau. Haven't been adhering to the plan as much as I have, but my wife, or she's like my life coach also in this journey of weight loss, she's noticed what I've been doing. I know what I've been doing, but she's there to kind of help push me. So I've started trying to pick that back up and at least obtain my goal, and then I might go beyond that before I transition. I haven't made up my mind yet, but just being below 200 pounds would be incredible for me. I hadn't been that weight since I was in the military, and that was a long time ago. So that's one goal. I'm probably a month behind from what I should be, but I'll get there. That grab and go lifestyle has really hurt me when I have been crunched. I've been working, like I said, a lot, so that's where I just grab stuff and don't take the time to prepare my meals like I need to. So I will get back on track with that, but it's still going well. 58 pounds was an incredible amount for me, and I feel great. So goal 1, almost there, not quite a check. Watch out for these primroses. They'll reach out and snatch you. Goal number 2, do 1,000 miles for the year. That one isn't quite as hard of a goal to hit for me. I'm constantly out hiking, and at lunch I have the opportunity. We have a hiking or jogging trail that I can go out and do during my breaks and lunch. So I usually get close to 6 miles a day just on that. So we just passed June, and I am at 550 miles as of last Thursday, and 220,000 feet in elevation. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. I just wanted to have something out there to kind of set a standard. I've done it the last 4 years, but something to push myself. So that one is going to be a check, I don't think, unless I injure myself, so I guess I shouldn't check it yet. Alright, keep on moving. Beautiful camp spot right by this nice creek. Maybe it's a picnic spot. I don't know. I'd camp there. A lot of people coming to my camp, but it'd be fun overnight. Love these bridges. Such a beautiful shot, it really is. I'm making quick time of it though. I'm gonna have to go find something else to do after this. Alright, next goal was doing the Wasatch 7. That's the one that's gonna take the biggest hit. I've already got 3 of them done, which would be Nebo, Timpanogos, and Lone Peak. And I was hoping to hit Spanish Fork and Provo which I still have plans. It will probably be later in the fall, but just driving south that far and the price of gas has kind of put a damper on that. But so I still have those two, and then Loafer and Cascade Mountain. So I probably won't hit that goal. So that one's going to be a bust. But we'll see how I'm doing on the rest of my list in a minute. All right, next goal, the Highline Trail. That's happening end of this month. I had to make some adjustments, so I'll only be doing half of the Highline because I want to meet up with some other hikers and climb King's Peak with them. So I'll be coming in from Henry's Fork, crossing over Gunsight Pass, and then meeting them past Painter Basin somewhere. And then I'll probably be doing roughly 43 or 46 miles of the trail. That's going to be a beautiful hike. So I'm still doing that, just not the entire through hike, to make adjustments for my time off and everything else. So, but that's to make way for my last goal. Love the sun rays coming through the trees and just this creek. Last goal, hiking a section in Virginia. I think we're doing 100 miles in Virginia, and that trip is still on. So can't put a check on it, but I'm really looking forward to it. That's where I'm trying to save extra days up. That way I have the time to go out there and do the section that we've talked about. Hopefully we will complete Virginia Triple Crown on that trip. So looking forward to it. Those are my goals. Some are going to be made and some aren't. But at least I set them and push forward to them. So this is the waterfall at Deuel Creek. I'm just going to go a little bit further and then we will call this one done. All right, talk to you later. So just beyond the waterfall, it gets a little rougher, and then there's this connector trail to Parrish Mountain. And take that seriously. I have done it. It gets really steep and brushy, and it takes a very long time to do. So it is a warning that you do need to really listen to. And I would take advantage of this creek and get some water before you go up, because it does get long, hot, and it is dry. So that's kind of the end of the trail. As you can see, that sign, that's going to be the end there. This is your connection trail, if that gives you any idea. what the rest of it's gonna be like. It was fun, but it is rough. All right, well, I am going to head back down and call this a wrap. Grab some pictures on the way up, and hopefully I get to stop at the swing and at least take a ride on it. It is fun. If nothing else, I'll get some video of it. All right, y'all take care. Bye. Yay, look at this. The swing is actually open. On a 4th of July weekend, I am super surprised. So it's right by the creek. Just a little clearing that people come play at. But you take it up here, get on top of this rock, and you let go. Let's see. Woo! Yeah, that would have been more like a bloopers reel. I swung with the camera, went way out there, and then thought I was going to smash into the boulder on the way back. So I had to drag my feet and spun around. And good time though. If I wasn't wearing my backpack and I was paying attention, I would have probably enjoyed it a lot more. Well, y'all, that was Deuel Creek. Thanks for coming along with me. Hope you enjoyed. Talk to you later. So I got a wild hare and crossed over and started bushwhacking towards the flag. I'm trying to make my way up to the base of these cliffs, but this dry grass is brutal, especially with slick bottom shoes like I got on. Not the recommended route. When I get something in my head, sometimes I just don't think. Almost there. Whew. The stuff I won't do to see that flag. Ah.